How can you use generative AI? Welcome back to Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. With us from GoDaddy is VP of Growth for U.S. Independence, Geoff Clawson. Hi, Geoff.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Well, there seems to be something new with generative AI and different tools just about every day. GoDaddy has helped so many people and businesses with their online presence over the years. Tell us how you're making use of AI today.
Yes, generative AI is a fast evolving new tool that allows small business owners to save time by generating copy, images, and other data using models that really allows them to get back to the business of running their business.
Some statistics that you have seem to indicate that small businesses may be a little bit behind the curve on this.
Well, I think that's important to put into perspective. So, from a recent survey at GoDaddy, we found that 26% of small business owners are using generative AI. And you may think that that's a relatively low number, but again, keep in mind that small business owners have a lot to do during the week, right? As a former small business owner myself, I can relate that you are focused on running your business, be it making donuts or pizza. You don't have time to keep up with the latest technology, really understanding the different ways to use it. But GoDaddy is here to help. We make technology accessible and easy to use.
So you've got something now called GoDaddy Aero, AIRO. Tell us about it.
Yeah, GoDaddy Aero is the culmination of over 20 years working with 21 million plus customers to really understand what small business owners use and need to use in order to be successful, whether it's starting a business or growing a business. And Aero really uses generative AI to do a number of things to help small business owners, from generating a domain name from a description of the business that you may want to start, to creating a logo for you, all the way to creating a marketing calendar of social post and email, to helping you answer questions that you may get from customers, even to creating product descriptions using images of the products that you have. All of this we do using generative AI, which really gives the small business owner time back.
So this is even for people who just have an idea that they're thinking about. Boy, I ought to start a website or start a business, and you're going to help them right from the get-go.
That's right. You may have an idea that you want to start a dog walking business, as an example, but you can't imagine what you might want to call it. You can come to GoDaddy.com/Aero, and we will help you from that point, that very first point in your journey, by suggesting domain names, all the way through to when you have a thriving dog walking business, and you've got so many customer emails that you can't keep up. Generative AI will help you answer those emails.
So a lot of people might be under the impression that creating a website for a business is a big deal, might require hiring somebody to be on staff, et cetera. Step us through how you're really helping folks with this, and how they really don't need to know too much.
Well, certainly GoDaddy is here to help reduce the burden that you might have, and generative AI really takes that to the next level by, again, you just need to tell us what type of business that you want to be in. What's the idea that you have for the business, and maybe you already have a social media account. We can take all of the information that you provide, whether it's the ideas or the social media accounts that you already have, and we will create a website for you in minutes. And that includes a logo, that includes the copy that's on the website, the images that are on the website. All of that we can do with very few inputs from the small business owner.
Tell us about the costs involved.
Well, the cost involved for to use GoDaddy Aero is really the cost of a domain, and with that, you get access to all of these amazing tools. So the domain costs vary depending on the name that you select, but it's a relatively low cost to get from an idea all the way to a business that's running and thriving.
Terrific. So where is it that people can go for more info?
Yes, please visit godaddy.com/aero to learn more about how GoDaddy is helping small business owners thrive with generative AI.
And again, it's spelled AIRO. Geoff Clawson, thank you so much for spending time with us.
Thank you.